Hello everyone, this is the Predators King Motivation. I want to introduce you all to this very simple concept. It's a very simple concept. If you want it, you go get it. It's time to stay focused. It's time to decide. Fuck clubs, fuck parties, and fuck trying to fit in and socialize. Rub elbows with everybody so people can stop calling you weird. Why are you so antisocial? Because I am trying to get it. Why are you staying on the basketball court so much? Because I am trying to get it. Why are you out there practicing in the hot sun when nobody else out there? Because I am trying to get it. Why are you not clubbing like every time I text you and invite you to go do something fun and cool? You are always studying. Because I am trying to get it. The more weird you are is a reflection of how committed you are to focusing on your shit. Molding and shaping and developing your idea so that when it's time for you to make your rounds, you gonna fly. You still got work to do. Stay on that basketball court. Stay on that football. Fuck all the homies texting and calling and trying to make you feel bad about so focused. It's not about today. It is about the future. You do the work now and all of the shit that you could ever want to do for your family, your kids, your loved ones. It's all going to be on a whole other stratosphere. These sacrifices you are making is an indicator of progress. It is an indicator of obsession. It is an indication of progress towards your dream. Dreams require sacrifices. You are not entitled to your dream. You have to fucking plead for your fucking dream. APJ Abdul Kalam said, "Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness." The price you will pay for not making your dreams come true is far greater than one that you will pay to make it come true. If you can't stick to something for 5 fucking days, you deserve to have a shitty life. You deserve to get your ass kicked. You deserve to be miserable. We are talking about 5 fucking days. We are not talking about 50 years. We are not talking about the 5 years it could probably takes to be built something worthwhile. We are not talking about even 5 months it could take for those you to lose 100 pounds. We are talking about 5 fucking days and you can't even stick to it for that. So what the fuck do you think you deserve? You deserve exactly what you get, and that's true. That is the thing your friends will not tell you when you are bitching and moving about how your life sucks on Friday night, drinking a fucking brewski with your boys. Drinking a fucking brewski with your boys is sometimes good, but not on the regular basis. When you are sitting in your mom's basement and playing fucking that video games when you should be reading or improving, working out or fucking doing something. It doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter how frustrated or angry, depressed or upset you are. All that matters is that you do what you need to be done on a daily basis over and over and over again. And if you do that shit and it's get done, it's irrelevant how you feel. And I can tell you this, do this for a long enough, you are going to feel a lot fucking better about your life than you do right now.